What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive, guys. Let me go ahead and take a look at XRP here, guys. We are noticing a very, very interesting signal here, a buy signal from $2.15. It is now at $2.22, topping out at around $2.23. So I want to go ahead and check out the price action here, but real quick, guys, if you did end up purchasing this algorithm here, the one that actually returned the 53K over the last 3 months, please do me a favor and send me an email with your proof of purchase on a receipt, right? And I will be able to forward you your the access to the algorithm, right? So go ahead and send me an email right here, arcavulls@gmail.com. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that real quick. And if you are still interested there, I still think that there's maybe around 18 slots left from the 60 that we announced just yesterday. Okay, you guys, so it is flying really quick, and you'll notice the square link in the description below, you guys. So thank you so much for supporting the ArcMastersCourse system and the ArcMastersCourse way. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP here, team, as it does show some signals of potential upside and support, right? So from this trend line here, we were kind of identifying this as a medium area for support, and so far we almost got a close. We almost got a clean close beneath this area here. Yes, it did close at around, this was a 3-hour time frame, right? Closing below that $2.18 level. Okay, but we definitely got a retrace here, and there is still upside to be continued and observed here. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at volatility versus momentum in the immediate short-term time frame to identify how strong that move can be. I definitely love to see a 10-minute time frame with this kind of upside thrust in volatility, and definitely this kind of upside in momentum, right? Of course, this is suggesting a bit of a pullback, of which we're already getting here, but this is going to eventually, well, it does, right? It dominoes or it cascades into the next time frame. So here's the 15-minute time frame with a little bit lesser of a downside posturing, right? And you can see here that this has just about a 2-cent ATR from the opening of the new bar that is now doing it, right, guys? So so this can actually now retrace its 50% back to 222.34 and then make its way down another 2 cents to the downside, which would put us right at around the 218 to 219 level. If we are able to capture that downside, then the 30-minute time frame would actually still have us continue towards the upper bounds. Okay, so hourly time frame getting a nice expansion move towards the upside. We have upside momentum, and let's see how far we got, right? Nice by hourly time frame already looking like it could get that volatility spike beyond the 15% of contraction here, and we also have that upside posturing on stochastics. So far we have 2 hours of upside. Let's see the 3-hour time frame. Yeah, that's a little bit of consolidation there, and yes, I would say 3 hours of upside from let's see, and I think we may be able to get that 3 hours of upside starting, let's see, when would this close? Yeah, starting in about an hour and a half. So if this, for example, opened up at around $2.20, the new 3-hour time frame, then that would give us about almost 8 cents towards the upside. So I definitely think that we are going to come right back in here yet again, team. So or just shy of these targets here. I would say anywhere between the areas of about let's see, I think I would have to give it yeah, just about 227.76 into this bound here, 229.87 to 235.18. Okay, you guys, but in reality, I think I can focus more on this space right in here, 232 to about 227.76. This is kind of where I'm observing the potentials of price action landing, right? So of course we still have relevant resistances in that area there, but I'm going to go ahead and put the receipts down here for you just in case, so that you are aware over how the play is moving. Okay, you guys, so there you go, and these are the targets right now. So I guess to the downside here, team, if we are looking at the opening of the next bar, of course, there's usually about a 30 to 50% prior bar pullback. So in an hour and a half, which from the time of the recording right now, it is actually 8:30 p.m. Pacific as we speak, 8:32 p.m. You can see the time right down here, right? So that would take us down to about 50% of this present bar. So I would say it depends on where we go on it, right? But so far, it's looking like it could retrace down to the areas of around 220, and that's around where we were saying that we would open up the next bar. So I would say, yeah, a little bit of a range there, 220s. Do not doubt this, because it could continue to lower bounds, guys. Just always be prepared for those things, right? I'm just giving you the immediate short-term time frame expectation. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at a little bit of a larger time frame to identify what could be coming in for the asset. Okay, so let's see. Consolidation in the 4-hour time frame, 6-hour time frame, getting a little bit of consolidation to 8-hour time frame, a little bit of consolidation, slight upside. This is actually giving us a little bit of a hint for a continuation towards the upside. 12-hour time frame still consolidating, and we have maybe an upside coming in on the daily time frame. Okay, you guys, we may be in the process of getting a V-shaped recovery, which also gives us validity all the way up to 235. But let's see what we have, right? So by daily time frame is still suggesting downside here, but that's going to be over by market close tomorrow. Tomorrow, what's the date right now? Yeah, tomorrow the 23rd. Okay, you guys, so heads up around these times. There's going to be a lot of volatility here, guys, and I know that there can be some catalysts, like for example, Robinhood acquiring the whole Bitstamp thing, that whole thing. There's a whole bunch of things that may be able to lead crypto towards an upside. Okay, guys. So I need you to be very, 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 very careful here, team. And yeah, so I think we have some of those downside targets. We have the upside probabilities right now. We're still kind of in the consolidation area right now, guys. Notice how I'm not giving you the breakout points just yet. It's just we are a little bit slow, right? We're kind of recovering after this crazy shock to the downside here, right? So this is always right when this happens, we have to then start kind of consolidating back to its mean. As soon as we can validate that we are well within a support here, then we can continue towards the upside, team. Okay, so far so good. I just need you guys to be careful in the coming days. Okay, guys. So please remember, if you haven't acquired that algorithm, it is still available to you. The very one that made $53,000 over the last 3 months. So please consider hitting the link in the description below for that. And make sure to join the ARCa Bulls trading team, the ArcMasters course. Guys, we are going to be starting here on Thursday for the beginners charting and trading mentorship. Guys, it's going to be directly with me live. Okay, guys, so that's going to be starting on Thursdays, and also we're going to be repeating the same lecture on Sundays. Okay, so make sure to reach out to me at ArcMastersCourse at Gmail so that you can get yourselves the disclaimer and the syllabus for that. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and we will chat here very, very soon. Okay, team. Thanks so much. Peace out, guys. Adios. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I promise I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.